and future dancers. I'm Nina and this is Jeff, and today we are going to show you single time swing. First, let me show you all the steps. So we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, underarm, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, or more advanced underarm turn, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, reverse turn, slow, slow, rock step, slow, change hand, backhand change, slow, slow, rock step, slow, slow, rock step, slow, basket, quick, quick, slow, slow, rock step, slow, slow, reverse turn, slow, slow, rock step, reverse turn to stop and go, rock step, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, cross hand turns to sweetheart. Rock step, right hand handshake, left underneath, rock step, she turns, rock step, he turns, rock step, she turns, sweetheart like basket, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and one last turn, slow, slow, rock step, if we like, an underarm turn, she comes, he goes, slow, and under, slow, and quick, quick. Let's break it down. So, basic step. Let me show you first the basic step again. So we have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Or in beats, you would have 1, 2, 3, 4, rock step. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Underarm turn. First, the simple version where the gentleman stays right where he is and all he's doing is lifting up the arm. We have slow, slow, rock step, slow, slow, rock step, slow, slow, rock step. So we have slow, slow, quick, quick, right hand handshake, rock step, slow, slow, quick, quick, and slow, slow, quick, quick. Stop and go. So slow, slow, one more time, rock step, slow, slow, rock step, slow, rock step, slow. So the first time we have a timing change. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and back to slow, slow, quick, quick. Okay. One more time. Slow, slow, basic, quick, quick, slow, slow, reverse turn, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, and slow, slow, quick, quick. Very nice. Basket, and that is basic. We have slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow. Bring her in, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, and reverse turn, slow, slow. Good. Or a simple basket in and out, slow, slow, basic, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, right back out, slow, slow, reverse turn, slow, slow, and quick, quick. Cross hand turns to sweetheart. Let's go this way. Cross hand turns to sweetheart. Basic, slow, slow, quick, quick. Right hand, left under, rock step. She turns, rock step. He turns, rock step. She turns, rock step. Sweetheart, just like basket. Rock step, slow, slow, and then both hands up. And we can put both our hands into the man's hand and then rock step on the foot. So we do that again. So we have, let's go over the bits here. So we have slow, slow, rock step, right hand, left under, rock step, both arms up, 2, he goes, slow, slow, She goes slow, slow. Sweetheart, slow, slow. Rock, step, slow, slow. Both arms up, slow, slow. And rock, step. Very nice. She comes back, he goes, which is slow, slow. Rock, step, and plain underarm turn. Rock, step. But when I come back, he keeps the hand up. So rock, step. I go under, he keeps the arm up, he sneaks out, slow, and rock, step. Either on the spot or he can even travel with that little rock, step. Slow, slow, let's do it again. Rock, step, slow, slow, rock, step. She comes. No. So wait until she makes it back. Slow, quick, slow, slow. So the lady has to clear it first, then the gentleman, and rock, step. Very nice. So again, very important. The lady goes under, and she comes back. She needs to clear it first, then he can go under. Otherwise, it's gonna really hurt.